Okay, I have drawn these lines on the object layer. An object layer is the one that we have designated to be heavy lines. According to our layer settings, object layers are 0.60 millimeters, so it should be heavier than some other lines, like center line and hidden line. So you don't see that on the screen when you draw unless you have set your line weight on. In other words, under the customization, if you go to lower right corner, see that customization, just left click on that. That would display all these options under the customizations. The one is checked. Right now, my line weight is checked. By default, this is not checked. So you may want to check that. Make a check mark. There are other ones that I would recommend you to do. That is the quick properties. These two, I like to have them on. And once you have checked those, quick property and line weight, and both of them have, they're activated here, you will add another item here under the status bar, which you didn't have before. Now you have this quick bar. You can turn them off and on. And also you have this line weight that you can turn off or on. In other words, show or not to show, as you see here. So that's something I would recommend you to do on your settings on your computer station. So if you want to see sometime if you are in the correct layer and correct line type, you can always activate that line settings by left click on show and hide line weight. I hope this helps.